Donald Trump's former attorney Michael Cohen speculated that the embattled ex-president's hundreds of millions of dollars in legal bills make him compromised as a presidential candidate. During a sit-down on the Sunday, February 18th, installment of MSNBC's The Weekend, Cohen pointed out that after being ordered to pay roughly $355 million in his New York civil fraud case and $83 million from the E. Carroll trial and other lawyer fees, Trump needs to figure out where he is going to raise $500+ million over a short period of time. We need to be very careful about him as a potential president because he is for sale, the 57-year-old explained. Host Simone Sanders Townsend suggested the 77-year-old could be open to the highest bidder at this point because the tab keeps being run up, listing off the Saudis and the Russians as potential buyers. Cohen agreed, alleging Trump was thoroughly compromised. Yes. As the controversial politician's legal issues pile up, Trump continues to claim the many cases against him are nothing more than an attempt to interfere with the 2024 election and that the charges should be dropped. We are in the middle of an election, perhaps the most important election in the history of our country, he wrote via Truth Social on Monday, February 19th. These radical left lunatic prosecutors and judges are not allowed to be doing this. I should not have to go through any fake prosecutions before the election, he added. This is communism and a threat to democracy. Our country will not stand for it. Trump has gone so far as to demand presidents be given full immunity to any potential crimes during their terms in office. Any mistake, even if well-intended, would be met with almost certain indictment by the opposing party at term end, he penned in January. All presidents must have complete and total presidential immunity or the authority and decisiveness of a president of the United States will be stripped and gone forever. Hopefully this will be an easy decision. Trump is currently facing 91 felony counts across 4 indictments, including charges for his attempts to overturn the 2020 election. Earlier this month, the D.C. Court of Appeals ruled that the former POTUS could legally be prosecuted for his actions surrounding the election and the January 6th Capitol riots. We cannot accept former President Trump's claim that a president has unbounded authority to commit crimes that would neutralize the most fundamental check on executive power, the recognition and implementation of election results, the court said in a statement at the time. Nor can we sanction his apparent contention that the executive has carte blanche to violate the rights of individual citizens to vote and to have their votes count.